Hi, this is Igor from Lightly. Lightly is a data curation platform for machine learning. When I was doing ML myself, I very often had three major problems. First of all, understanding the data I'm working with is really hard sometimes. Then, finding edge cases can be really difficult, especially when you're working on tasks such as autonomous driving, where they're really important and hard to find. And third, the overall data quality is sometimes a very big problem. Let's have a look at how Lightly can help you tackle all three problems. As you see here, I'm already in the Lightly data curation cockpit, and I'm working with a dataset consisting of 1,800 images, and the overall dataset size is 1.3 gigabytes. I can now jump into the Explore view to explore my dataset. I can scroll up and down like in any file browser to explore all my images. I can also sort them based on metadata we can extract automatically, such as the sharpness, to get an idea of whether I have very blurry or very crisp images. Let's have a look at this particular example here. I see all the metadata we can extract here on the right side. I can also have a more close-up look on the image itself. And as you see, it looks quite blurry. So let's get rid of all the blurry images because they can hurt my model performance. So I can jump into the metadata view. And this gives me a histogram overview of all the different metadata we can extract. And I have sliders which allow me to quickly choose the data I want to work with. So let's get rid of all the blurry images here. Now that I curated the data in terms of data quality, I also want to make sure that I have all the missing edge cases and whether I need to collect more data to fill the gaps. I can do this by going onto the embedding view. And as you see here, I have a two-dimensional visualization of my whole data set. I can look at the individual examples. And as you see on the right side, I have a cluster of daytime images. And on the left side, I have images of nighttime images. So I have two major clusters. And the problem is the two clusters are not evenly distributed. So it looks like I have much more daylight images than nighttime, which might be a problem. So I might want to collect more data of the night. Now, additionally, you see that there are some gaps here. There are areas where I don't have any examples. This might be very bad because my model is not able to learn and understand this region. So that what I want to do here is I want to make sure that I find more data and add it to this training set. I can do this using active learning from Lightly, which helps me using model predictions and the embeddings we have to find the missing gap data. Finally, after curating the dataset, I can go and download it to either train my model or to send it to an annotation company to annotate the data and work with it. Lightly is also available as an on-premise solution with additional features such as data privacy, has an automated pre-tagging system integrated, and it also scales up to petabytes of data. I hope you got a good idea of how Lightly can help you, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out.